sport in her school day. Mary is a graduate of Churi Chandpur College, Manipur. Success is not shortcut. Success is not shortcut. It is a long journey. It is a long journey. She is an inspiration for many girls around the world. Mary Kom is the most celebrated boxer in India. Her journey is an inspiration to thousands of Indians, especially many Indian women. If you feel down yesterday, if you feel down yesterday, stand up today. Stand up today. Mary Kom was noticed family and helped her parents in the field. As a child, she was interested in sport but didn't pay much attention to boxing. It was Dingo Singh and her gold medal. It was Asian Games that inspired Mary Kom to take up career in professional boxing. Success is not shortcut. Success is not shortcut. It is a long journey. It is a long journey. As a young girl from economical backs, Manipur old house, Mary Kom did not receive support of his family and society. She kept her interest or secrets as her family and society. She kept her interest or secrets and the society discouraged any notes of a woman become a boxer. She faced many struggles and her journey. छोटे से कदम पे हौसला आसमान, छोटे से कदम पे हौसला आसमान. मेरे को मनी भारत ईशान, मेरे को मनी भारत ईशान. Whoever she to continue to the work of Sonia despite all odds. Today she is the only Indian woman boxer to win a gold medal in the Olympics. She also the first to get a gold medal in Asian Games in 2014 in South Korea. Education is the most powerful weapon. Education is the most powerful weapon. From darkness to light. From darkness to light. In a country where women are still working towards achieving an independent basic right, Mary Kom made us understand what a woman can truly accomplish. People used to say boxing is for men and not for women. People used to say boxing is for men and not for women. And I thought I will show them someday. And I thought I will show them someday. I promise myself and prove myself. Promise myself and prove myself. At 15 she left home to train at the Impulse Sport Academy and soon become a state champion. A woman that revealed her secret to the world. Even with training she faced challenge including final struggles. Sometimes had to travel long distance by train for competition. Her low talent was identified only and she began competing at the national first silver medal in 2011. Later around the age of 16 winners her. Her journey was anything but easy. She began competing internationally at 18 age. Many considered too late for boxing, but many refused to give up. In spite of her success and popularity, Mary Kom's journey continued to be challenging. She faces discrimination and regional beats. Even now at different events including the Commonwealth Games, but it doesn't stop her from fighting. She put such experiences behind her. Success comes those people. Success comes those people. They work hard for it. They work hard for it. Medical accomplishment and the contribution to the country in the field of sport have been recognized by the government. She received Padma Shri in 2010 and the Padma Bhushan in 2013 for her achievement.
सच तो यह है कि आप जितना कठिन संघर्ष करते हैं अंत में पुरस्कार उतना ही मिलता है. She has started the Mary Kom National Boxing Academy with the help of the government. And interview she said that she wishes to produce 1,000 Mary Kom.
At Olympics medalist and 6-time world champion, Mary Kom is an unreviewed boxing legend. At 2012, Mary became the brand ambassador of the Super Fighting League.
The truth is, the harder you fight, the sweeter are the rewards in the Mary Kom take classes of self-defense for women in
जाता है